this time may be the right time for southeastern Nigeria to have the 6 states. But our lack of perception, not understanding politics, is one of the problems of Ndigbo. Division. Do you know that every state in Nigeria have 60 states? Even one in the north have 7. South have 6 states. Southwest have 6 states. Middle belt have 6 states. North, all the whole north have 60 states. Even one have 7. But only the southeast have 5 states. Now, giving the Igbo people 5 states is reducing, because the whole money, oil money, the whole resources of Nigeria, every month they will share it according to the region. So if you have 6 regions, if you have 6 states in your region, you will have 6 portions. If you have 7 states in your region, you will have 7 portions. And if you have 5 states, you will have only 5 portions. So it is injustice, because Igbos are the only one that have 5. And because of that, it reduced the amount of money that's supposed to be going to Southeast every month. There is no marginalization that is more than that. It's marginalization. Now, God wants to use President Tinubu, because this is the first time that the pressure is on high. One of the senators, I think Senator Sani, I have forgotten his name, he moved the motion, even in the House. The Yoruba man also moved the motion. Fantastic. That this is injustice. They should give the southeastern people 1 state. But the same thing that is happening to our people is now. Some people from Enugu are talking about Ada State. Some people said Olu State. Some people said Umuahia State. Who do us this thing? Holy Ghost! Fire! Is it better to divide the southeast or to accommodate the Anioma? Which one will benefit us more? Accommodating Anioma. That gives us access, more access. Do you want to come and divide the little southeast that we already have, than extending hand to those our brothers? But selfishness will not allow some people to see it. May God never allow them to achieve that.
Amen.
There is no division in the southeast. This is the time to welcome Anioma. They speak Igbo. They bear Igbo name. All the whole king in Anioma answer Obi. Obi of Onitsha. Obi of Iseluku. Obi of Abo. Benin people, their name is not Obi. Yoruba no they bear Obi. It's only Igbo people that answer Obi. Am I communicating?
Yes, sir.
So far you are Anioma. Even if they say that all of them are not Igbo, it doesn't matter. Kogi, there are some people in Kogi. Kogi is a mixed state. Even in Delta State, there is a Chekri, Wari, Ijo, even in Delta. Igbos in Delta. So all of us must not be. It's the time. Senator Ned Nwoko is pushing it hard. And we will all support Anioma State. It's additional. It's adding them to what we have. Both in numbers. In politics, is in our advantage. Do you understand what I'm saying now?
Yes, sir.
Anybody bringing the agenda to come among the existing 5 states that is not even up to Niger State to divide us, that person is not reasoning very well. These are the enemy of our people. Maybe they want so that they will cover one small state so that it can be easy for them to be governor. It's selfishness. We will not support it. Any reasonable Igbo man must support Senator Ned Nwoko in achieving Anioma as a state to the southeastern. Federal Chinekaka is additional to Igbo people. In Anioma, people that say they are not Igbo are just like 1%. The whole Ibuso believe they are Igbo. The whole Ibuso, the whole Ogwashiuku, the whole Opoluku, the whole Anam, all of them believe. It's just few people in Iseluku and Abo and few in Asaba. Wherever, if they say they are from Bini or from Igala, you ask yourself, did Igbo conquer them? So why suddenly you are speaking the language, bearing the name? Everybody in Anioma bears Igbo name. So this is the time. The House have approved another state for Southeast. We should not fight it. We should support it. It's additional. It's additional. No more. Because these people has been bending Igbo, Western Igbo, now Delta Igbo. They should be whom God made them to be. Am I communicating?
Yes, sir.
This message we get to the House of Assembly, Igbo senators, Igbo House of Representatives, anybody that is planning to come to divide among the 5 existing states, that person is the enemy of our people. We must extend hand to welcome others. It's additional. In numbers, we will have more number advantage. Politics is a game of number. It is a number, and even everything they have there belongs to Southeast. That is how it's supposed to be. God bless you. This is our time. We cannot mix it. May God use President Tinubu to achieve it.
Amen.
History will be fair to him. That is during the time of President Tinubu that additional state was added to Southeast. He came here, met me, told me his vision. That he's not a part of them that want to deny whom he is. It's the time for Igbo unification. This is the time. This is our time.
You all have heard what Evangelist Ebuka Obi said. Everything he said there are factual truths. He said that what Igbo nation needs right now is to get an additional state outside the already existing 5 Southeast states. We should get Anioma State, add it to the Southeast to increase the political strength of Igbo nation, to expand the landmass of Igbo nation, to increase the population of Igbo nation. Politics is a game of numbers. These are the major reasons why we Igbo nation want Anioma State. The problem of Igbo nation is bad politicians. So many Igbo politicians don't know how to play politics. All they know how to do is to fill their pockets with money, their own personal agenda. They don't care about Igbo nation. A reasonable Igbo person, a reasonable politician from Igbo land wants Anioma State to be part of Southeast. No Igbo person is expected to come out and be saying, we want other state, we want Anim State, we want all those states. Some people are saying, all those politicians from Osoka that want to have their state, they have their own opinion. Everyone have the right to agitate for a state. What are they agitating for? Are they going to say that they are not hearing about this Igbo unification that is going on? No, be that one be their problem. All they want is to have other states and be the governor, to be the senator, to be the representative. That is all they want. Selfishness. The problem of Igbo nation is selfish politicians. Politicians without vision. Politicians who don't know their left to right. Politicians that don't know what Igbo nation wants. No Igbo region, community will never hear of this Igbo unification movement where they go on. What Igbo nation needs is Anioma State, not other states, not a Titi state, not an in state, not all those states. What Igbo nation needs right now is to get Anioma State and zone it to the Southeast and start agitating for those indigenous Igbos in Kogi State, Benue State, and other parts of the country to be joined to the Southeast. That is what we are supposed to be doing. No be to define as you go take cut part of Enugu State to create one state, cut part of Anambra and Imo State to create one state. It's very shameful. This is why people are saying that Igbo nation are fighting themselves. They don't get one agenda. They don't get one goal. Now this set of politicians be our problem for Igbo land. All they know is their pocket, selfish politicians. Very shameless set of people. Their opinion. Which opinion? Any opinion that any Igbo person should have is for Anioma State to be actualized first. That should be the opinion that we want to hear. Not be let's get other states first before Anioma. The Southeast have 5 states. Southwest have 6 states. South have 6 states. Northeast have 6 states. Northwest have 7 states. You see that the Southeast is being marginalized. It's marginalization. Every other zones have 7, 6, but Southeast have 5. When they are sharing allocations to those zones, Southeast will only be receiving 5 because they are just 5 states, while other regions will be receiving 6, 7. And now we want an Anioma State that is as big as Enugu State to join the Southeast and leave South. And some politicians that don't have sense from Nsukka area are saying that what they want is other state that is just 2,141 square kilometers. Make we leave this big landmass called Anioma that is 6,400 square kilometers for other state that is just 2,141 square kilometers. Shame on those politicians from Nsukka. Shame on you people. Anybody for this Igbo land will be say you just be enemy of Igbo nation for your selfish interest. You don't have sense. You don't have sense. When I want make it be say the suffer where Dennis or Sadebe, other notable people from Anioma don't suffer. Waiting that they agitate since make Anioma join Southeast because of your pocket, because of your selfish interest, because of your long throats. You want to sabotage Anioma State for other states. This thing not be waiting Igbo nation suppose they debate. Or unless Ndigbo not they do their work. Because if Ohanes and Ndigbo they do their work, other state agitation for don't stop since. Therefore, not they talk of other state again. Instead, what they are doing is they are trying to hold a conference to debate between Adada and Anioma State which one Southeast wants the most. Ewo, shame on us. We don't just get shame. We not get shame. Other regions won't unite. Igbo nation owner. So many Igbo people go they champion for unity. They champion for a very right cause. Some go there back, they draw them back for leg. They draw Igbo nation backward. How you go they choose other state that is just 2,000 square kilometers over Anioma State that is 6,400 square kilometers. See Ebuka Obi, they telling church members why Anioma State is more important to Igbo nation and not other states. This is what pastors are supposed to be doing, championing Igbo agenda in their churches. Now be what Igbo pastors are supposed to be doing. Not be today for church all the time, pay your offering, pay your tithes, heaven, hellfire, heaven, hellfire. You know they teach your people sense. This is why Evangelist Ebuka Obi is exceptional. And I acknowledge you for it. May you bless Evangelist Ebuka Obi. He's a very good man. He gets vision for Igbo nation. If you are a pastor from Anioma land, speak up. Tell your members that we want Anioma State to be zoned to the Southeast for us to coexist with our brothers. Those people from Enugu that are saying, we want other states. The only issue that they are saying is that Anioma people are saying that they are not Igbos now. Let's leave them to be in the South. What we want is other states. What is the percentage of Anioma people that say they are not Igbo people? And what is the percentage of Anioma people that are proud of their Igbo identity? Just like Evangelist Ebuka Obi said, he said that Igbos people are proud of their Igbo identity. Ogwashuku people are proud of their Igbo identity. So many Ika communities are proud of their Igbo identity. So many Ukwane communities are proud of their Igbo identity. Ezechime communities are proud of their Igbo identity. 95% of Anioma people are proud of their Igbo identity. It's just those few people where we say that they thought they not be Igbo people. Enemies of Igbo nation will start sharing their videos, telling the world that Anioma people are not Igbo people. People don't share good news, they only share bad news. All these Ile Ibinu people and the Yoruba people and some other tribes in the South that don't have sense, they are the ones propagating that Anioma people are not Igbo people. Imagine those tribes hate Anioma people. They don't love Ikwere people. They don't love Ukwane people. They don't love Oshimi and Anocha people. They don't love Ika people. They don't love Ichie people. They don't love Opobo people. They don't love Ekpe and Oba people. But because of say Anioma State won't join Southeast now, those people are now telling Anioma people, you people should start protesting. Don't allow these people to zone into the Southeast. You people are not Igbo people. But if any good thing won't happen for Anioma land now, say Anioma person won't become the president of Nigeria because of the hate where this tribes gets for Igbo nation, they go still start to the talk say Anioma people are Igbo people. Don't allow an Igbo man to rule this country. Anioma people are not different from the Southeast. Anybody for this country will not make Igbo nation unite. May Chuku punish that person. You know go better for that person. This Anioma State matter. Other tribes should stay clear. Allow we Anioma people to join our brothers in the Southeast. Whether they like it or not, if they like, maybe they come online, they back. they cannot stop the zoning of Anioma State to the southeast. Only few people from Abo are saying that they are not Igbo people. Only few people from Asaba are saying that they are not Igbo people. Only few people from Iseluku are saying that they are not Igbo people. And these three minorities, these three dots, cannot tell we Anioma people where to be. We are going to the southeast. There is nothing any one of them can do about it. Why is it that no politician from Anioma land have come out in a video and said that Anioma State should remain in south and not southeast? If that politician get mind, make you come and talk am for video. Stop going around the corner, around the bush to fight Anioma State. Make it official for the world to know that you are fighting Anioma State zoning to the southeast. No politician go fit. That's why they are sending all those kings that don't know themselves, all those people from Anioma that don't know themselves, to come online and be saying that Anioma State should be in the south. All those people that are supporting all these politicians, many of them don't have sense. They don't know that if we still get that Anioma State, those politicians when they push on to fight Anioma State agitation and the southeast zoning, they go still come out for election to be governor, to be senator. Why they don't use you for political campaign? What Igbo nation needs is Anioma State to join southeast. Let's stop clamoring to divide the already state we have in the southeast to create another state. What those politicians in Osoka that want other states should be doing is they should start doing boundary adjustments to bring back the indigenous Igbos in Kogi and Benue states back to the southeast. That is what they are supposed to be doing. You people should stop clamoring for southeast to choose other states over Anioma State. Stop being selfish. Stop being selfish. The agitation for Anioma State is long overdue. Some Igbo people are saying that other people have an opinion now. They are only saying their opinion. That is not opinion, that is sabotage. Some people don't know the meaning of sabotage. Sabotaging is we won't get Anioma State that is 6,400 square kilometers in landmass to join southeast. You say no, say you want make you cut part of Enugu State, collect the indigenous Igbos in Benue and Kogi, then create them as one state. Their landmass when join all of them is just 2,141 square kilometer. You want 2,141 square kilometer over 6,400 square kilometer. That is sabotage. It's not an opinion, it's sabotage. Let's be telling ourselves the truth. What the politicians from the southeast are supposed to be doing now is to stand with Senator Ned Nwoko. Every sponsorship where you need, everything where you need, you people should support him. And make sure we get this Anioma State and send it to the southeast. Some politicians from Anioma and some other politicians from the south are the ones fighting Senator Ned Nwoko over the actualization of Anioma State. And that's because they are benefiting from the crude oil in Okwane land. They are the ones that kept Okwane land backwards by milking the resources in Okwane land for their selfish interest. The crude oil where the Okwane land, they enter their own pockets. They don't say if Anioma State join the southeast, say their hand go come out inside, because southeast governors no go want make governors from the south they collect resources where they Anioma land. So they are fighting it anonymously. They are fighting it with those idiots from Anioma that are saying that Anioma is not Igbo, that are saying that Anioma will not join southeast. Now those people that they use, they fight them. And if you look, those politicians are not coming out to say it in a video. They are only using those puppets to fight it. Those politicians are only fighting for the sake of the crude oil in Okwane land. Now then they milk the resources. That's why they don't want Anioma State to go to the southeast. They are only happy for Anioma State to be in the south. They just want to make Anioma Day for south so that they go feed, they work together, they collect their resources, but they will fail. This is a battle for Igbo nation. Southeast governors, make una learn politics, make una know wetin dey happen. Support Senator Ned Nwoko, stand with Senator Ned Nwoko, give him all the support that he needs. Anioma State na hot cake. All those came from Anioma where they thought say they don't want to make Anioma State join southeast. It's now those politicians where they Anioma, they give them money, now then they pay them when they think they survive. So they are always loyal to those politicians that are fighting Senator Ned Nwoko. Send this message to every southeast politician. Tag them to this video. You can download this video and send it to them. The fight against Anioma State is because of the resources in Anioma land here. If not, other tribes for South are not like we Anioma people. They know we are Igbo people. They hate us just like other parts of the country hate Anioma people. But because of the resources in Anioma, they want Anioma people to remain in the South, but they will fail. Anioma State is a goal, and there is no amount of sabotage and selfishness that can stop Anioma State not to be zoned to the southeast. May Chukwu bless Evangelist Ebuka Obi. May Chukwu bless the Igbo unification movement. May Chukwu bless Ndigbo socio-cultural organization. May Chukwu bless Igbo nation. Anioma State is a goal, and there's nobody that can stop it from being zoned to the southeast. Ishiewale.